Hey guys, JJ here with another Bubble tip, and today I want to talk to you about list fields within Bubble. So we know that Bubble has the ability to create data types and to create fields within those data types. And now within those fields, we're also given the ability to create a field that is also a list. Now this list has technical limitations. This list can only go up to 10,000 things ever. Okay, so if you're structuring a data type that has a conversation and within that conversation you need to store a list of messages, well, that might eventually break because what if you have more than 10,000 messages? So that wouldn't be a good way to structure that, right? Now, Bubble also recommends that you keep your list shorter than 1,000 items. Personally, I recommend that you keep your list shorter than 100 items. I start to see performance gains once you start to have a do search for a data type of a quantity of 100 or more compared to loading the list that has items of 100 or more. But not only that, it's just easier to manage. And it makes it easier and more efficient to not carry that data with you on every page load. What do I mean by that? So if I were to load this data type, tweets, right? And let's say the list of related users on that is 7,000. So every time I load this data type tweets, I would also load 7,000 unique IDs that are a part of that list of users, and every single load, even though I'm not even calling that or using that, right? And that's just a lot of weight that you don't want to be carrying around with you. Now, if you push this off to a new data type and you remove it from this data type, then you won't have that weight with you for every time you call the tweets. And you will only get that data when you need that data by doing a search for that data, okay? So I hope this shows how you can create data types that are future-proof and the threshold for when it becomes more performant for using a list field compared to your own data type. If you enjoyed this video, please follow me on Twitter and subscribe to this channel on YouTube, and I'll catch you in the next one.